This guided meditation will guide you to take a relaxing walk, not just in your mind, but actually physically walking to relax and ground yourself. During this meditation, I will describe going outside for a walk, but you may walk indoors or outdoors. You can walk on the spot, on a treadmill, back and forth in a room, around the block. Take as short or long a walk as your situation and weather permits. Now, throughout this exercise, I encourage you to monitor your body. Stop or ease up if you experience any pain or discomfort, and keep all physical movements gentle, smooth, and relaxed. So begin by preparing for your relaxing walk. Ensure that you have suitable clothing for the weather and that you're wearing supportive footwear. So standing in one place, take a deep breath in, just breathing in and breathing out. Now raise your arms above your head, again breathing in, and lower your arms as you breathe out. So breathe slowly and deeply and as naturally as you do, and do a few gentle stretches. Stretching your neck, your shoulders, rolling your shoulders back. Keep your legs straight and bent forward, and place your hands on your knees. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Stretch further by placing your hands on your shins, and reach all the way down to your ankles if you're able to, and hold this stretch. And then slowly return to an upright position, shaking your leg gently and shaking out the tension. Shake your right leg gently, shaking out all of the tension, and then shake your left leg. So raise your arms out to the side at shoulder height and keep your arms straight out beside you. Now turn your body slightly at the waist to look to the right, and then face forward, and now slowly turn from the waist to the left, and then return to the center. Now lower your arms and shake them gently to shake out any tension. And gently stretch any areas that you feel especially tense. Now when you're ready to proceed with your walk, just go ahead and begin. Walk at whatever pace is comfortable for you. Not too slow, but not rushing it either. Just walk comfortably. And focus your attention on the rhythm of your steps. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. And allow this rhythm to soothe and relax you. And continue on this relaxing walk. Enjoy the movement of your body and feel your body becoming energized as your muscles move. Feel your limbs moving. Now you can meditate as you walk by focusing your attention again on your footsteps. Count your steps as each foot touches the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As your attention wanders, direct your focus again to your footsteps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue to focus on your footsteps. And feel your energy increase with each step. When each foot touches the ground, feel the energy rising all the way up from your feet, through your legs, your hips, your body, your arms, all the way to the top of your head. Now the slight vibration when your foot lands on the ground serves to increase your relaxation and help you to feel calm and energized. Your legs feel strong, supporting the weight of your body. And notice the slight weight shifts that allow you to walk from heel to the front of your foot, and they're transferring to the heel of the other foot, to the front of that foot, back to the first foot. Notice these weight shifts. And notice the ever-repeating pattern of your steps. It's almost as if your feet are a wheel, rolling and rolling. One part contacts the earth, while the other part is in the air. If time slowed down, you would notice that almost imperceptibly, the weight shifts from one part of the wheel to the next, then to the next, and the next, until what was the bottom of the wheel is now the top. No part of the imaginary wheel and no part of your feet remains on the ground for long before transferring the weight to the other part of your feet. Continuous motion. Continue the relaxing walk. The motion is very relaxing. Imagine the rhythm of your feet. It's like waves, flowing in and out, ever repeating. Allow your breath to flow smoothly, also ever repeating like the waves, in and out, in and out. Hear the sound of your footsteps. This is a calming and relaxing rhythm. Just listening to this repeated beat. Notice all the repeated rhythms, footsteps, heartbeat, breathing. This smooth cycle of rhythms allows you to proceed forward at a leisurely walk. Now turn your attention to your surroundings. Notice the environment around you, the surface you're walking on, the temperature, the colors, the sounds, the smells, and enjoy your surroundings and enjoy this relaxing walk. Now this guided meditation is ending, but you can continue to enjoy this relaxing walk for as long as you wish, feeling alert, refreshed, relaxed, and invigorated. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and I hope that you have enjoyed it.